me. Figaro, 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 Figaro. What's good, everybody? Big Country here. It's been a really long time since I've been on any kind of media. Why? Stay tuned.
Yeah, I came in with a saw. Ooh, yeah, I came in with a saw. Yeah, bitch, I flare red raw. Yeah, bitch, I flare red raw. Yeah, I came in with a saw.
All right. This is why I haven't been on any kind of media. I had to reinvent myself. I used to be this guy that would put money in these lending programs and let somebody nameless trade my money, and I'd sit back with waiting for passive income, somebody to pay me just for letting them hold my money. Actually, better yet, the way these programs are set up, I was paying somebody to run off with my money. That made sense. No, it did not. So this is what I started doing. I started trading my own crypto. Like anybody that's been in this area in the crypto world, you have some bitcoins, whether it be Bitcoin or Ethereum, Lite, or whatever. You have some kind of altcoin or Bitcoin. So the easiest way to trade that coin is not to trade it for this or that, which a lot of people do. They'll trade Bitcoin for Litecoin or Litecoin, blah, blah, blah. What I did was I would get my Bitcoin. I'll just show you what I would do. I hold my Bitcoin on the exchange Bittrex. So what I would do is, well, that was Bitcoin. Let's just go back to it. I would get the Bitcoin and I would go down here to the US Tether market, which is basically the US dollar equivalent. And I would sell my Bitcoin for US dollar. Now I would only do that when, when the market was up here, when Bitcoin spiked at an all-time high for that day or that week or whatever it be. I would turn around and sell my Bitcoin for Tether, which it would lock in the price at $11,000, and I would wait for it to depreciate down to like where it is right now at 10. 10.5 looks like. So then I would buy back in, which that would give me more Bitcoin. So when it went back up, it would be worth more than what I already had. And it's not hard to do. It's just you have to watch constantly. And if you miss, then you go wait for the next roller coaster, the next uptrend. So I was only selling high. I couldn't buy. I could, but I'd have to put USD in there to just buy when it's down low. And you all know, USD is hard to come by just as hard as Bitcoin. So I was only selling. I would sell high, wait for it to come down, and buy low. Buy the dips is what they say. Buy the dips. Got my hand. Okay, but yeah, buy the dips. That's what I was doing. And it was okay. I would not be focused a lot of times, and I would miss some trades. So that's the whole deal with the whole day trading. You sit there and you wait, which is really annoying if you think about it, because I would wake up in the morning, I'd look at the charts, and I'd sit there and wait for them to do something. The most boring existence ever. So I had to reinvent myself again. And I ran into this program. I'm not going to mention it in my video. A lot of people know what it is. It's actually an academy. It's a school, and it taught me about Forex. Now in Forex, I can trade crypto. I can trade currencies. I can trade pretty much anything I want, anything that's on a stock market, and I can do it the exact same way as I did it with only Bitcoins I was holding. now I can trade crypto that I'm not even holding. I'm just trading it because there's a deal on it, and I can tell you if it's gonna sell, if you want to sell it, or if you want to buy it. And I get paid to do this, to predict the market. So much more easier. Okay, let me show you what I'm talking about. There we are. Man, I haven't done that in a long time. A little rusty. All right, what I'm doing is this is new. This whole thing right here. This is new. That's actually my phone. See, that's my phone. You see, I'm moving it. This is magica. But all right. Since I'm involved in the program I'm involved in, which is actually called IML, and it's an academy, and they teach you all the fundamentals that you need to know to become a boss, to rule the trading world and become a millionaire. And you get to hang around like-minded people that are super energetic, and they just will bring you out of any kind of funk, not because they need to, because they want to, and that's their mindset. They have a millionaire mindset, and I love hanging around them, but they're killing it. So what you do is, what I do is I log into my MetaTrader 4 app on my phone, and I continue to use the charts on TradingView, because that's what I'm used to using, because I did crypto for so long. I'm used to looking at these charts. Now later on, I will try to adapt myself to the MetaTrader charts, but until then, this is how I'm going to do it. What happened to my screen there? There it is. Okay, so you start the MetaTrader 4 app. There's going to be, this is actually the list of all the different things I can trade, with it not only being crypto, but I can trade any kind of currency or anything I want to. So that's a boss, without me even having to own these stocks or currencies or crypto. I can buy and sell them at my own whim whenever I want, as long as the charts look like they're doing what I want. So let's say Bitcoin was actually getting ready to do what I want, which is, of course, go up. Now I'm on a demo account, so I can do this. You do a new order, and you can see that it just bounced off the middle line on the Bollinger Band, so I think it's going to go. And just that quick, I put in a buy order. Is it going to go up? I don't know. Probably won't, because I'm just doing this to show you how easy it is. And I wish I would have. I wish there would have been a. Make sure, yeah, that's definitely my demo account. I don't want to just throw money around, because that's the worst thing you could do. Is to do that. I don't know why my thing keeps doing it. Like I said, this is all new, so me having my phone there, I just unplugged it. Maybe my cord's going bad or something. I don't know. My connection on the computer. Doesn't matter. But anyways, it's still hooked up through Wi-Fi, so I think as long as I'm right here, it should be fine. So just that easy, I can buy and sell Bitcoin without even owning it. And I put this in at 1 penny. It's a 1 penny lot, which if you get into their school, they'll teach you exactly how to buy and sell, the lot sizes, the risk management, the mindset, and they'll teach you all that good stuff. the whole mindset is distracting me because I know what I should do and I know what I should be watching, and it's screwing my brain up right now because I can't focus on what I should be talking about because I'm too busy watching the charts. So, like I said, I just made that trade just to show you guys how easy it is to buy and sell Bitcoin or any other kind of stock. I mean, there's gold here. You could buy and sell gold. It's in a channel right now, so this isn't a good thing. You never want to buy in a channel like this because there's not enough pips, not enough movement for it to be worthwhile. There's IOTA. That's a coin that I've never ever owned. Actually, I did own it once just to make a trade. I actually sold Bitcoin to get this coin just for a tip I got. But now I don't have to do that. I can keep getting my tips, watch the charts, watch the bands, or watch Ichimoku bands or cloud and buy and sell at my leisure. It's awesome. So on that note, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and ring that bell. And holla at your boy. Actually, I don't know if I'm gonna put this on YouTube or not. It doesn't. So I don't know if you need to or click the like button or anything. This is what I want you to do. Instead of ringing that bell or liking and subscribing, be good to yourself. Make positive choices. Always keep learning. Don't stand still. And have an awesome day.